Good morning, learners. Today I built a softbox light. Now, from what I know, they're used in professional recordings to make the light way better. I don't know. But I decided to try and make one just because I want to look pro as. So, this video is going to be a little 4-minute or 5-minute hyperlapse of all my hard work, and I'll show you what it looked like before, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Goodbye. Alright, I just want to cut in here. Most of the footage I had is for some reason corrupted. I have no idea why. So, about an hour and a half of the work you probably won't be able to see, unfortunately. But the 45 minutes that I did get, you'll be seeing in the next 4 minutes. Alright, see you later. Let me just point your focus to the top right where the bowl is. That is my original light made from a YouTube video from Mr. Schiffer, the guy on YouTube who did a cake tin light. I don't really know his name. Now, I'm trying to improve that light. Now, I use LED lights in that, like a strip light, but there's just not enough power coming out of that and not enough light for my camera to pick up. So that's why I'm going to try and evolve this lamp you can see in the right side of the screen into a bigger light. Now, the way I'm going to do that is with this box that I'm cutting in half. Now, this is the Mark 1 because I did fail this version and I made another one, but hopefully it'll be the same. Now, at the moment, I wanted to make a soft box, whatever I'm making at the moment, as big as possible to try and get more light focused into one area. You can sort of see the lamp on the right. It has a small softbox, but it's not too effective. Alright? The bigger it is, the more light that can be dispersed and softly placed onto the subject's face. So, that's what I'm trying to do with this. I've used a lot of sticky tape and thought it out a little bit, and that's what I'm making right now. Now, you can see me using a knife. If you are a minor, please don't use a knife. Use scissors unless you're with a responsible person. Now, this was sort of the first level of my softbox, just a big space where light could come together. In the next few coming shots, you're going to see a different softbox because I made a new one, and it's also going to have alfoil on the inside of it. Now, that's because I wanted the light to reflect and bounce around. Now, if you see the light there, it's really harsh light on my face. That's why softboxes have been introduced, to make light soft on your face. Now, as I was saying, the alfoil's in there, and that's for me to get all that light reflected and not get absorbed by the cardboard. Now, I've got some shower curtain here, and that's what I'm using for my diffuser material. Alright? Diffuser material, I've been told, is what makes the light so soft. Because the light is moving through this material before it hits my face. So it's just like outside when you're sitting underneath a tree. The light's being diffused by all those leaves and sticks and air in the atmosphere to make that light nice and soft on someone's face. I'm doing the same thing artificially with this shower curtain. Now I've got to glue it all together and hope for the best. There we go, looking a little better. Let's fix it up just a bit. Now, the reason I want more light is because I want to turn my ISO down. Now, if you watched my video about cameras the other day, go watch it. If you don't have all the time in the world, I'm talking about the exposure of the camera. The lower the ISO, which is the sensitivity to light, the lower that is, the higher quality you're going to get. So that's why I want a brighter light, because I want my videos to be as high quality as possible. As you can see, it seems much better already. Just got to adjust it a little bit and make sure the shadows aren't hard on my face, and we're done. Alright, so this is like 2 hours after creating my big old softbox light, which is literally made out of a soft box. Alright, hopefully I can put it into like a little hyper reel so you guys can see all my hard work, and then I can have good lighting for the rest of my life until I can afford to buy a proper softbox. But at the moment, looking good. It's like, I just don't know how to control that light. Maybe I need a bigger fill light back there, but we'll see how we go. I'm keen. I just made my own softbox. I look like a freaking pro, dude. I'm just excited. Let's go. Alright, bye-bye.